And this is our little place. Take you inside with me. And this is one side of our studio apartment. We've got the little living room area over here and kitchen and little counter. And the ceilings here are very tall and very neat. They have very neat architecture. And this is the apartment from the other side. Right on boards, which we use to write trip goals and such on. This is our setup for wireless. We actually are selling wireless access to our neighbors in the complex so that we can break even on our wireless and not have to pay for that. And this chair, oddly enough, is for putting over at the door or sitting close to the window, which is the only way we can get cell connection in the apartment, because these walls are all made out of concrete. And that's the bedroom and the bathroom and the closet over there. So I want to pan up here so you can see the ceiling. It's just a little tiny place, but it's perfect for what we need. We can do our office work here, have little meetings, and in general just stay focused and on the project.